I am about to declare the vote closed.
All right, guys, first cut. Here we go.
We're running a couple minutes behind.
The vote is closed.
It's close. First round.
This will be the first announcement. It should be instantaneous.
Windows crashed. You recording or?
Oh my God, he doesn't have to record.
This is Game 7 of the World Series, the last fourth quarter before a field goal gets kicked off. Like, it's tense. You can feel the tension. It's ridiculous right now. We're voting number 4, so that's why the chant's going out.
This is the first announcement. That's Jock Rogue, the president of the IOC.
Box given 95. Participants 94. Abstention nil. Void nil. Valid ballots 94. The city of Chicago, having obtained the least number of votes, will not participate in the next round.
We just lost.
We shall now proceed immediately with another round of vote. We shall now proceed immediately with another round of vote. We shall now proceed.
I think we just lost.
With another round of vote. We shall now proceed immediately with another round of vote. We shall now proceed.
Holy crap. All of that? What? We just lost. Oh my God.
Expected this development, and an audible gasp went up in this building when the announcement was made that Chicago had received the least number of votes and had been eliminated in the very first round of voting. There was not any expert that was looking at the way this vote
Yeah, so they just made the announcement, like they said there was an audible gasp in Copenhagen. We just lost. First round knockouts. So that sucks.
dangerous nature of the first vote.
Right.
Where many voters would vote for their own continents instead of actually voting who they thought the favorite would be. And it was the round that, frankly, Pat Ryan had always told me scared